A silent killer. Microplastics' devastating impact on migratory bird chicks. The innocent chirping of migratory bird chicks, a symbol of nature's renewal, now carries a chilling undertone. A groundbreaking study published in Science Advances reveals a horrifying truth. The ubiquitous presence of microplastics in our oceans is causing severe neurodegeneration, cell rupture, and stomach lining decay in these vulnerable young birds. The implications are catastrophic, not just for individual chicks, but for the delicate balance of entire ecosystems. The research, focusing on shearwater chicks, a species particularly vulnerable to plastic pollution, paints a stark picture of environmental devastation. Blood tests conducted on these chicks, unwittingly fed plastic fragments by their parents, revealed a spectrum of debilitating health issues. The plastic pollution, ingested through the food chain, wreaked havoc on their delicate systems. Stomachs, livers, kidneys, and most alarmingly, the brain, all bore the brutal mark of this silent killer. The damage isn't merely superficial. It's a deep-seated, systemic assault on their very being. Imagine the scene: a parent bird, diligently providing for its offspring, unknowingly delivering a slow, agonizing death in the form of plastic fragments mistaken for food. This isn't a hypothetical scenario. It's a grim reality unfolding across our oceans. Previous studies have already documented the shocking scale of plastic ingestion in these birds. Researchers have found more than 400 pieces of plastic in a single shearwater chick's stomach, a horrifying testament to the pervasive nature of plastic pollution. In some cases, plastic accounted for a staggering 5–10% of the chick's total body weight, essentially crippling their ability to thrive. The sheer volume of plastic accumulating in our oceans is staggering. This isn't simply a matter of discarded bottles and bags. It's about the insidious microplastics, tiny fragments that infiltrate the food chain, poisoning every level from the smallest plankton to the largest marine mammals. The disturbing truth is that a shockingly small number of corporations bear a disproportionate responsibility for this crisis. Investigations have shown that fewer than 60 multinational companies are accountable for more than half of the world's plastic pollution, with a mere 6 responsible for a quarter of it. This stark reality highlights the urgent need for corporate accountability and a radical shift in our approach to plastic production and consumption. The consequences extend far beyond the immediate suffering of individual bird chicks. The health of these birds is inextricably linked to the overall health of marine ecosystems. Shearwaters play crucial roles in maintaining the delicate balance of their environments, impacting everything from nutrient cycling to the overall structure of food webs. Their decline represents a ripple effect of ecological devastation, threatening the entire ocean's biodiversity. The findings of this study serve as a stark wake-up call. We are witnessing the devastating consequences of our unchecked consumption and the failure to hold corporations accountable for their contribution to this escalating crisis. The future of these magnificent creatures, and indeed the health of our planet, hangs precariously in the balance. We need urgent action, not just to reduce plastic pollution, but to fundamentally change our relationship with this pervasive material before it silences the chirping of future generations of birds, and indeed, threatens the very fabric of life on Earth. The time for complacency is over. The time for decisive action is now. Learn more about the age of extinction and the fight for our planet's biodiversity by following our reporters Phoebe Weston and Patrick Greenfield on the Guardian app.